Singleton pattern actually comes under creational patterns. Creational patterns deals with the best way of creating instances of objects. Your program should not depend on how objects are created and arranged. In many cases, the exact nature of the object that is created could vary with the need of program. There are cases when there is no need of creating an object. There are cases when only one instance of class is required. So these are the reasons why we have creational patterns. Abstracting the creation process into a special creator class can make your program more flexible and general. These are the few names of the creational pattern, and now we will look into details of singleton design pattern in Java. Singleton pattern is a class of which there can be no more than one instance. It provides a single global point of access to that instance. Problem definition. In nearly every application, there is a need to have an area from which to globally access and maintain some type of objects. These are also case in object-oriented systems where there should be only one class running at any given time. If you just think of your programming, when you do programming, connection pool is an example. You normally have a single connection pool throughout your application. Window manager, only a single window manager is used in any of the application. Are few examples. So what we can say is some classes should have exactly one instance. These classes usually involve the central management of a resource. The resource may be either internal or external. And as we saw, window manager, print spooler, database engine, only one audio clip is played at a time. In your system, normally when you play an audio clip, only one audio clip is played at a time. If you start second, it stops the first one and starts the second one. So if we do the requirement analysis,